makanta pa. Like, hi po.
Hey Mamans, welcome to my channel. I create videos about traveling, education, careers and instructions, and a bunch of other things. You might want to subscribe and like this video. Here is an unexpected trip to Arayat, Pampanga on a sunny day in May. Arayat is a neighbor of my small hometown located in the northeastern part of Pampanga province here in the Philippines. I, together with my neighbors, went for a stroll, and I didn't know why we ended up visiting this place. Heading to our destination, you would see the scenic view of Mount Arayat, the famous mountain in the province. I think this is considered as a volcano. And here is Cong Dadong Dam. This dam was named after the former president Dadong. He was also a congressman for 8 years. Cong means congressman and Dadong his nickname. So Cong Dadong Dam. The locals of the town, and probably even not the locals, go fishing. I don't think that they get the same species that you see in the market more often, like snakehead morelfish or mudfish or dalag in Filipino, tilapia or tilapia in Filipino, and whatnot.
Oh, makanta pala.
I just see some fish that are called common and silver, but I'm not certain what their names really are. For silver, they call it that way because the scale's color is silver. I have seen this kind of species before and they're literally big. They are not seen in the wet market because they're absolutely cheap.
Yes, so pandawi pangarap skin eh.
Normally, the people who are coming here are the ones who are selling fish to the people here who are passing by, or the people who are actually just visiting, taking a walk, and whatsoever. Or they sell it to other people in a suburb.
Nangas ka rin? Na?
Marami na. Pagkano? Tara lang mo ito.
So, panta ko yung ano eh.
Ito naman.
Like, hi po.
Ano tumigdahan?
Hello po.
Kunin mo yung isa. Buhay pa yan. Galing sa Philippines. Oh, ano may dumi? Ito talaga. Ay na. Bigyan na po kayo. May isa, silver. Na Cong.
Isa gold ako. Golden peto nga ako.
Yung isa gold. Yung isa, brown lang.
Happy make sure mga YouTube vlog.
Ay, kaya